How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I try to catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market with this system that I have developed for years upon years and been profitable for over 6 years. Let me show you guys how I exactly do it and how do I catch a precise bottom and accumulate to sell those shares to the people who are chasing and make massive returns. And if you stay long enough, I do have a premium Discord that is only $6 a month, and it gives my best trades, just like what I'm about to show you, with entries and exits in my YouTube comment section below. So let's talk about what you guys want to see. GME. Obviously, the whole market has been going down hard today. A lot of the stocks are down. Everyone's, saying trash company and all this and, making up things to spread FUD, right? This went down due to the market overall. GameStop is down 8% today. Um, Yes. So, but let me show you guys exactly what level I'm looking for, use some basic support, technical analysis, and show you a general idea what I do to find these bottoms. So GameStop, I have traded this before, and I have made nice returns doing it. You have the three lines. The bottom is your buy zone, and I say buy zone. It doesn't mean you exactly just rush into a trade, but it gives you a higher probability of over 90% chance of winning if you just base it just on that, and we can increase the chance of me using other skills. Blue band is where price is going to correct to. As you can see, price has always been hitting the blue band, and after some time it don't hit it, it tries to go down, but it has to correct and hit the blue band. Red band is your absolute sell zone. If price gets to it, it's going to drop dramatically, as you can see during here. So the time I do remember clearly trading it was back in 2023 of August. This has touched my green band to a T and also penetrated it just a little, as you can see the wick. Um, the RSI was extremely oversold. I did trade it based on RSI. People who do that will lose a lot of money, because you don't know which one is a good RSI. But what I do know is I developed these bands to work in any market. So if the price gets relatively close, then I know that buyers are going to show in, market makers are going to change the algorithm to the buys. So what we have here is a nice little buy zone just based on that, and then we have a low K, and then you can look at lower time frames to get more of a precise entry, market sentiment, and volume. And that's what I did right in here. Alerted it to the Discord members way back in the day, and we made massive returns to the upside. What you always want to see is your risk versus reward. So if you know your blue band is right here, it's at 14 bucks and 71 cents. Yes, that's a decent risk, that's a decent gain you can get if price magnets back to it. But you also got to know is this blue band is sometimes going to correlate down a little each time the price goes down. So you want to make sure you get, a precise bottom, and you want to have lots of room to the upside. As you can see down here, there was lots of room to the upside. I got in around 16 bucks ish, and then the middle band was at 19.39. That was a $3 move, and it did that and then some. So that is really what I'm looking at for this strat. I don't think I've seen another buy signal before, but as you can see though, when price gets relatively close, it does tend to pump a little. Like right here, it's pretty nice, and then it pumps way up. So, but you don't know if it's going to surpass this middle band and go to the red band. We just don't know that. As you can see, when it gets to the red, it sells off. Right here, it gets close to the green, it pumps a little. But the best buy signal was obviously right in here, and this is what I'm looking to alert to my Discord members. Some nice buy signals to give us the highest probability of winning. So now we're looking at what is the current price. What are we looking at now? Well, I would be looking at around 11.90 area for the buy zone. That doesn't mean I get right in, but that is the area where I would want the market to come to me, because there is plenty of other stocks to look at. There are so much things that are in the buy zone, and I can show you, it'll take a lot of time, but I can show you a dozen that are just in there waiting to be bought up and to make a lot of returns. And while you're waiting for that, GameStop will eventually get there, and when it is there, you can find this, buy this GameStop, and then make your 10 to 20%, whatever you like, your goal. But do know is if price does hit this middle band, it can go any way. So you want to make sure you take the gains when it hits this middle band, because as you can see, price goes down and it's just kind of treading along, and it went down, made a newer low compared to this price we got at. And if you would have just kept holding and now made a newer low. So you just don't know. You want to make sure, you'll always pay yourself, guys, because the market can take away your gains at any moment. So just always have that exit plan, and that's what I teach in my Discord. Always have an exit plan, and also, as I were speaking about that, if you want to come, this is what the premium Discord is. It looks like this, and this is where I'll give it alerts just like GameStop if it hits my buy zone, and I will post it in the trade alerts, and I'll say I'm looking to buy GME at 11.5 and put a limit order in before the price gets there. So you can put a price, you can get in at that limit price, and then once we get in, if it hits, I will put an exit plan. So if I make 20%, you will make 20% as long as you get out when I tell you to get out. So, and that's the thing. There's no fear of missing out. There's no of holding trades longer than you should. You get your gains, you move on, and you go to the next trade. So that's the premium Discord. It is only $6 a month. People charge hundreds of dollars to get in this, and do keep in mind there is no perfect system, but I promise you with this system, over all of my trades, we have over a 90% win rate. Today was just really hard, so I hope you guys, obviously, if you're looking at this and you're like, wow, GameStop, what is it doing? It's just like going constantly lower. So you're obviously looking for how to find a bottom and where to find a reversal. This video is for you because I am all about finding bottoms, and I'm all about a reversal for a massive pump to the upside the minute the algos switch to the buy side. So if you're really wanting to join, I will put this Discord link into the YouTube comments below. It's only $6. Cancel anytime if you don't like it. It's fine. There's no risk, in only a $6. Lots of people charge a lot of more money, but I understand people with small accounts can't be paying hundreds of dollars to join a Discord. If you only have like a $500 account, you won't make any money doing that. So I understand that. So I put that into retrospect. So yeah, so you'll get my trade alerts, and the most important thing is my setup video. Everything you see here will have a bigger explanation of me talking about how to use exactly your KDJ and exactly what these bands are and how to efficiently use it all together to get a precise entry if you're trying to trade, let's say, your own stuff like Tesla or day trade or any of that. But we are a swing trading Discord where we get something because a lot of people have small accounts, like I said, and we want to avoid the day trade role. So yeah, guys, if you enjoy this video about GameStop and you're kind of looking at where I showed you my buy signal, kind of where the price I'm looking to get at, share this video, like it, subscribe. It will help other people and the algorithms to share it to other people like you guys that are looking for a bottoms and looking for what GameStop is doing. I would greatly appreciate it, and a lot of people other appreciate it, that there is a system that does work. The win ratio is there, and it gives you confidence to know exactly when you're buying the dips, because you're not going to buy all these random dips. You know exactly when to buy the dips. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Go down below, scroll below into the YouTube comments below, and you'll see my Discord link, and it'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care, guys.